Let's talk about that one teacher that's always helping the sub, or just the teacher that just sits in the back of the classroom where they share a classroom. There's like a sub, and then and there's always like, guys, we're gonna be respectful today, right? Respect. Respect. No respect for that teacher, because there's always students that'll talk back. And it just starts teeing. Every time that I hear that teacher talk, I'm always like, oh, no, another day with this person. But it's called an opinion, in my opinion. I don't like when a teacher does that. They're like, boys and girls, oh shoot, I'm brawling. Whoopsies, let's respawn. Okay, but anytime a teacher does that, it is so annoyingly rude. Like, you're not our teacher. You're not going to tell us what to do. Okay? I understand you can help, but that's the reason why there's a teacher, a sub. You don't need to come in here and ruin it for everyone. Okay? Thank you. Now let's be more respectful around those kids. Yep. Okay. So, don't just hop in. It's not nice. No. Stay where you are. Stay in that room that you are. And just don't come in the classroom. That one teacher, I'm not ready to go back to school. My first day of school, September 2nd. No! And I might have that one teacher.